na-achụgharị ndị dibịa na ndị arụsị, ndị na-eme ihe ọjọọ. Ị na-achụgharị ndị pastọ na ndị prọfet, ndị na-eme nke ọjọọ. Ị na-achụgharịkwa ndị gọọmenti, ndị na-eme nke ọjọọ. You have so many enemies. Be careful where you go to. Be careful people you associate with. Be careful with your utterances henceforth, that nobody will believe your own side of the story. And I pray you don't go in for what you did not commit. Thank you. Hope you will listen to me. Hope you will take it serious.
And the bike and a quamuno because Bomulans and Moza because I'm going to forget this video. Now pay attention to the next video, because now I want him on. I won't say much about this video because now this thing has been said many weeks ago. This is exactly going to 1 year when this prophecy came. Because now the reason why most of us in the Bible now they pay attention to some things in the men. But this video, I didn't want to pay attention to it, and I'm waiting to see video be occur. But a lot of things has happened ever since this video, man. Only one statement to this man of God who say, I pray you don't go in for it. I say, I pray you don't go in for it. I repeat, I pray you don't go in for it. Now look at what is happening everywhere. Just because of one statement, just because of getting one utterances. The utterances is safe. The utterances is safe, but now you say, but you be fool, you have own up to it. Now this is I am sorry, this is cause you man. You still trying to deny it. You still trying to send a camera na camera on. So are you trying to justify that? And so even if camera is not on, which means you can say this kind of thing outside the camera. This is exactly na onye gini me onye me gini onye nyo ahụ bụ aso njo mele ade ebu. Ohe ndị Igbo na enyola ahụ bụ aso njo mele na akwade ede ebu. As a man, if you do something or say something or dadoku, own up to it fully with your full chest. Yes, I am the one that did it. Yes, I did it. Manabikon. Sorry, nobody is above mistake. Unanagota. And the reason why Jay will take this video, kuno nukwa ihe man of God uku a long time ago regarding this person. Regarding Governor Ezioku, regarding the challenges on Akwadi in the nearest future. And with this tenopota, he said that he's aware that the man of God should the man of God, thank you for telling me this. And most times he me the Biden anaha address. Another address. That is why in Igbo why abanokata asina the Biden kitana ana awa green na address mala na ihe anu na eme no ogbakwa aka. Nwoke anu nwere accident anu ogbakwa aka. Onye anu agbajiri okwu anu na wuke nu ugiri na wuke na ihe ana ka anyị mara na onye a na-agwọ ya agwọ nkwu ya. Our people anaghịzi echete na mgbe aha na-awụ ugiri kịta bụ gịnị ekezila ọlụ eke. Ekezila ọlụ eke the same ugiri aha na-awụ before bụkwa the same prophecy aha ndị otu Jizọs na-ebukwa kịta anụnwa. That's the same thing ahụ. Mana a lot of people apụtago si na na-egwu wayo na men of God anọzi gịnị. There are still men of God in Nigeria, in our land. Yotago, and the prophet is speaking. Say, why are my people dying like this? Are there no more prophets in the land? Oh, young one and Nikuna, Ndagwal Anokwalo. That's the most important thing. Ndagwal Anoro. Kezeka is one week was. Manabiko, this video has been there. Manachom Kuno pays their attention to the next video. Nakwadipi, Nakwadipi, Kuno Nosia, Ebe the men problem on away videos here. Mobosenketata. Cordon.
Would they go now? Would they go? Kana gaga. Onye bugo many people na southeast. You pay dearly. Dawa.
He should own his statement. You see that statement to make it. Yeah, oh no, yeah, no, nothing like the more he's trying to give excuses or the more he's trying to do the damage control, the more he look more stupid. Because he's critically killing everything is there. You said you wasn't aware that the camera is there. Meanwhile, you are looking towards the camera. You are watching the guy direct. This woman resident ego. Eyeglass again. The camera now deflect from eyeglass. Don't worry, I have a lot of videos here. Watch this video from here. Let me go back. Kenu, post with this thing now. Share this video. Help me share this live. Share this live. Because actually, all these people on Ayobiko on a plead should also see this video, man, on Asiasi. If you didn't know on Ayo, no mistake, in the biko happen ya me no when oko goji choko ko doku ah nkaji we me o makwa na camera no ihe ni now foul oya line usumba governor Izuku line in fact change na afia to line usumba. Watch from here. Get until you are okay. I say post to video now. Then ONS camera abide J Park in Amutu. Then I post to a sharp. Go watch your camera guy yaba. Or moto J Park.
Supposed to direct.
Then watch when you say.
Because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the.
Watch when you na yo. No maho. Na camera no there. No wo no ma. Or ya complete statement ya. Kifu no nya Linus mba. Or you gonna be here today.
But because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without.
Ne camera kone ya nanya. Ina hafia na eyeglass ya.
Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct. But because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking.
Now, guy, move on, Onya. Onya, there is a go for iPhone. Evidence. This person. Now, what have you said? Move this motor, let's go. Immediately. Let's go. No. Let's go. What can I work out? No phone, no supposed to sharp.
Let me play this video again.
Now watch.
Supposed to direct. But because I never knew if I had
known
that
camera
cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without
ne camera
shaking.
nanya. Ina hafia na eyeglass here.
Would they go now? Would they go? Kana gaga. Onye bugo many people na southeast. You pay dearly. Dawa. Let's go. If you're in Nigeria or America, let's go. Confirm, captured alive. They go. They don't fit try am. They don't burn that person for here. They don't burn her for here. Olilanya ndi Igbo. If you pay for it. I use my life and challenge. You pay for it. Ogechi captured alive. Captured. Ndi Igbo.
But because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without.
Ne camera kone ya nanya. Ina hafia na eyeglass here.
Let me play this video again. Supposed to direct. But because I never knew if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking.
Olilanya ndimo. Olilanya. Na mi governor Ezioku. You pay. You pay if you dare. Focus, drive. Look, I'm easy. Olilanya is here. Life and direct. Life and direct. Nigeria. 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 Nigerian police. Only the too much. DSS. Una dey too much. Una dey too much.